In this video, we will show you how to create an email list using the all-in-one digital platform, Builderall. Stay tuned. In this video, we will highlight how easy it is to create an email list to categorize and place all those wonderful leads that you're getting now for your business. We need to be able to put these leads in a specific area, put these leads in a place where you can find them categorically and be able to check the analytics on them, see who is subscribing to your list, who is not, who would you like to send emails to, all of that good stuff. So if you have Builderall, in your back office, you will come to this page. This is the home tab. And what you're going to do is go to the drag and drop email marketing automation mailing boss. This has been upgraded over the years. It's a wonderful feature. Been familiar with like Aweber or GetResponse. This is very comparable to that. So we'll click enter here to get started with creating our list. And once it loads up, you will see here in the middle where it says create a new subscriber list. That's what we want to do. So we'll make sure we're there, creating that list. And when you have a few lists already created, your screen will look like this. These are the different lists that I have created. So I want to create a new list. So I'll go here to create a new list, and I will name that list. Let's name that list Digital Marketing. Let's just do a test, Digital Marketing test. And the description, you want to make a nice description of what that list is about. And no one is going to see this. This is basically for your records. So, and you can put the display name, perhaps they will see that, but all this over here in the description is for your records. You can put tags here at the bottom to tag your list specifically of what it pertains to, the emails and things like that. And here, another important feature here is the double opt-in when you have on your email, so for your email subscribers to put their name, email in. Double opt-in is key because it really weeds out people who are serious inquiries or not. Because on a single opt-in, you can sometimes get, spam emails, made up emails. With the double opt-in, you get confirmation that this is their correct email, and then you send them to a landing page, you send them the PDF they ordered or download or whatever the case. So double opt-in, I would strongly suggest using this. Then we would click next. It's loading up there. So after you have done that, put in your display names, you will come here to the list custom fields. And of course, one custom field you always want to have, and it's checked there for you, is the email field. So you always want to get and capture someone's email. And I like to create the first name field too as well. It's kind of nice when you're creating an email sequence, and that'll be in another video. It's nice to have that person's first name, but you could add many other things, their last name, all these other features. Even down here, you can create more custom fields. It says right there, drop down fields. You can create all these, multi-select fields here. And so here, you want to put the email, text field for the email, the tag email as well. It's required. And you might say that email is required. And then when you add other fields, you can state whether they're required or not. But email, that's what I would stick to. So you would save changes. Okay, so now here, this is the area where you can look at sort of your analytics, where you can see how many subscribers you have for your list, the segments, the fields, pages, the forms. And down here, you can even import subscribers from other lists that you may have, such as an Aweber or GetResponse or CSV files and things like that. And over here, as mentioned before, you can create a new sequence, like an email sequence. Like day 1, I want my subscribers to get this email, day 2, that email, and so on and so forth. And we will highlight an email sequence in another video. So this just shows you the areas of growth, your campaigns that you have, unsubscribers list, great analytical data to have right here. So you've created your list. It says your form has been successfully saved. So now when you create that email sequence, you'll be able to direct those emails to a specific list, categorizes everything, puts everything in order. Because just imagine if you had 15 emails and domains floating out there and getting leads for all those, you want to be able to categorize and have a list up here where you know exactly where things are going. So you can see I've started these few little lists here as tests, because I do these videos for test purposes. So none of these really are live links. This is just a tutorial, but that shows you how to create a list through Mailing Boss. Hope you enjoyed that, guys. And if you are new to Builderall and you would like to maybe test Builderall out, I'll put a link in the description for a 14-day free trial if you'd like to try it out. Also, Builderall has a free website building tool now. It doesn't cost you anything. Very similar to Wix and Weebly. And for you affiliate marketers out there, Builderall's affiliate program is great. It's wonderful. Recurring payments. So if you're looking to start a business, looking to make maybe a little extra money online, that'll be in the description as well. So take care, guys. I hope you had value and got value from this video. Stay tuned for the email sequence video to go along with this list video. Take care, guys. We'll see you in the next one.